Hello everyone, this is Kartikeya. Welcome to my channel Rimcut. Today, let us learn about robotics. Robotics is an interdisciplinary field that integrates computer science and engineering. Robotics involves design, construction, operation, and use of robots. The goal of robotics is to design machines that can help and assist humans. Robotics integrates fields of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, information engineering, mechatronics, electronics, bioengineering, computer engineering, and many more. The word robotics was derived from the word robot, which was introduced to the public by Swiss writer Karel Capek in his play Rossum's Universal Robots, which was published in 1920. The word robot comes from the Slavic word robota, which means slave or servant. The play begins in a factory that makes artificial people called robots or creatures who can be mistaken for humans, very similar to the modern ideas of androids. Karel Capek himself did not coin the word. He wrote a short letter in reference to an etymology in Oxford English Dictionary in which he named his brother Joseph Capek as its actual originator. Robotics develops machines that can substitute for humans and replicate human actions. Robots can be used in many simulations for many purposes. But today, many are used in dangerous environments, including inspection of radioactive minerals, bomb detection and deactivation, manufacturing processes, or where humans cannot survive, example in space, underwater, in high heat, and cleanup and contaminant of high hazardous materials and radiation. Robots can take of any form, but some are made to resemble humans in appearance. This is said to help in acceptance of a robot in certain replicative behaviors usually performed by people. Such robots attempt to replicate walking, lifting, speech, and many other human activities. Many of today's robots are inspired by nature, contributing to the field of bio inspired robotics. Certain robots require user input to operate, while others robots function autonomously. The concept of creating robots that can operate autonomously dates back to classical times. But research into the functionality and potential uses of robots did not go substantially until the 20th century. Throughout history, it has been frequently assumed by various scholars, inventors, and engineers and technicians that robots will one day be able to mimic human behavior and manage tasks in a human like fashion. Today, robotics is a rapidly growing field as technological advances continue. Researching, designing, and building new robots serve various practical purposes, whether domestically, commercially, or militarily. Many robots are built to do jobs that are hazardous to people, such as defusing bombs, finding survivors in unstable ruins, and exploring mines and shipwrecks. And robotics is also used in STEM science, technology, engineering, and mathematics as a teaching aid. In 1948, Norbert Wiener formulated the basic of cybernetics, the basis of practical robots. Fully autonomous robots only appeared in the second half of 20th century. The first digitally operated and programmable robot, the Unimate, was installed in 1961 to lift hot pieces of metal from a die casting machine and stack them. Commercial and industrial robots are widespread today and are used to perform jobs more cheaply, more accurately, and more reliably than humans. They are also employed in some jobs which are too dirty, dangerous, or dull to be suitable for humans. Robots are widely used nowadays for manufacturing, assembly, packing and packaging, mining, transport, earth and space exploration, surgery, weaponry, laboratory research, etc. There are many types of robots. They are used in many different environments and for many different uses. Although being very diverse in application and form, they all share three basic similarities when it comes to their construction. Robots all have some kind of mechanical construction, a frame, form, or shape designed to achieve a particular task. For example, a robot designed to travel across heavy dirt or mud might use caterpillar tracks. The mechanical aspect is mostly the creator's solution to completing the assigned task and dealing with the physics of the environment around it. From follows the function. Robots have electrical components that power and control the machinery. For example, the robot with caterpillar tracks would need some kind of power to move the tracker threads. That power comes in the form of electricity, which will have to travel through the wire and originate from a battery, a basic electrical circuit. Even petrol powered machines that get their power mainly from petrol still require an electric current to start the combustion process, which is why most petrol powered machines like cars have batteries. The electrical aspect of robots is used for movement through motors, sensing, where electrical signals are used to measure things like heat, sound, position, and energy status. And operation robots need level of electrical energy supplied to their motors and sensors in order to activate and perform basic operations. All robots contain some level of computer programming code. A program is how a robot decides when or how to do something. In the caterpillar track example, a robot that needs to move across a muddy road may have the correct mechanical construction and receive the amount of power from its battery, but would not go anywhere without a program telling it to move. Programs are the core essence of the robot. It could have excellent mechanical and electrical construction, but if its program is poorly constructed, its performance will be very poor. There are three different types of robotics problems: remote control, artificial intelligence, and hybrid. A robot with remote control programming has a pre existing set of commands that will only perform if and when it receives a signal from control source, typically a human being with a remote control. It is perhaps more appropriate to view devices controlled primarily by human commands as falling in the discipline of automation rather than robotics. Robots that use artificial intelligence interact with their environment on their own without a control source and can determine reactions to objects and problems they encounter used by their pre existing programming. Hybrid is a form of programming that incorporates both AI and remote control functions in them. Applications. Current and potential applications include military robots, industrial robots, as robots are increasingly used in manufacturing. According to Robotic Industries, in 2016, automotive industry was the main customer of industrial robots with 52% of total sales. Cobots are also called as collaborative robots. Construction robots. Construction robots can be separated into three types: traditional robots, robotic arms, and robotic exoskeleton. Agricultural robotics, also called as AG robots. The use of robots in agriculture is closely linked to the concept of AI assisted precision agriculture and drone usage. Research also provoked that robot can perform a herding task. Medical robots of various types, such as Da Vinci surgical system, help in hospitals, and many more. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.